guys, it's Tuesday. So here we are again in Martiverse, catching up on what's happening with Bitcoin. And as usual, this content is sponsored by eightcap, regulator broker from Australia that also deals with commodities and forex. So you can guys easily trade them on your trading view screens. Give them a go. My link is in the description of the video. We're going to hop in first, of course, and check on the Bitcoin, and then we're going to carry on with all the other requests. Few, hopefully, lovely gems. I have a couple that I want to check on as myself, and then obviously everybody in the Discord will get a say and will kick it off. Let's go. Right, so Bitcoin. What's going on? Not much. Not a lot really, guys, and I have showed you this pattern last week, kind of in anticipation of seeing this to keep going and maybe potentially giving us that nice W. We marked our local top and local bottom, looking obviously at the fibs and checking how it works with the levels in terms of bounces. So unfortunately, neither a golden pocket or the half point or even the 3H2 has worked charm. So we're a bit lower at this point, and with potential of going even lower at this point still. So I did draw, additionally added this little line yesterday. I think I was on Twitter, and I just added that to show a potential bullish turn. It's possible as well to see this sort of action here where we are going to get a bear trap, wake down to back again around those levels of 18-17, and then reverse from here back up above the 19-20,000 and hopefully reverse up, or we are going to see a push up here and then above the 20,000 and back down. Those are two potential plays. Obviously, there's a lot more possibilities. We're not going to obviously try and explore them all because it is a little bit head-wrecking. But I just wanted to show you this price action here where, yeah, we were in this similar setup where we had that M pivot, M formation up here. We had one level drop, level 2, and then the third level was basically a big swoop down to the below $30,000 and a massive snooze fest with a lot of chop. This looks a little bit similar in terms of just the time duration and just in around like how it's kind of hanging around that level of support. I'm not saying this is the scenario I'm favoring, but it's just something to be aware of where we had this kind of a push up to above the 30,000, and actually that happened twice with two fake outs and then a massive drop back again. That definitely gave heart attacks to many. Bitcoin currently, when we draw a little bit more onto the chart, I might actually just get rid of those formations. Maybe I'll just leave them for the minute here. So yeah, just trying in. This is a daily chart, guys. Just bear that in mind. We had that red vector candle here. So for balance, it would be great, obviously, to see Bitcoin to turn and take it back up. So a nice turn back above the $23,000 would be amazing, and it is, like I said, a potential move from here, one of the two scenarios I marked. But right now we are still walking this line, and it is just a boring and frustrating zone for many. Drawing in the alpha trend, what we can see is actually a lot of sell pressure. Some sort of bottoms are forming, but there isn't a lot of conviction. There isn't a lot of strength given to this. I'm going to actually just zoom in a little bit on the chart, go into 10 hour, because I like this for trading as well. This is an interesting time frame. Throwing in the 50, and you can see how 50 is actually very well respected here, and we are trading up below this. I wouldn't be surprised if we actually make the push up to the 20,000 from here at least. So any day trader, any scalper, this wouldn't be a bad level to look at, with your obvious invalidation below any of those scary weeks down below. That could be a nice play just to push up to about over 20,000 to 20,500. Zooming in again, just to see what we're like on the smaller time frames again into 4 hours. So as you can see, just a lot of choppiness, and you going like a bit closer, how those vector candles keep getting reclaimed back again. There is just a bit of green here, straight back down, and another cluster of green and straight back down, and this fake out that just basically was straight away taken. So that's it really for Bitcoin. Unless you have any questions, guys, you can shoot right now. I'm currently not in any positions. I'm not trading at the minute in terms of scalps. I am still in one or two trades that I mentioned. I think Beeman, and I updated on that as well. It's still in profit, so I'm still letting that go. I played a few plays in terms of Uniswap plays, but at the minute I'm not currently looking at anything in particular in terms of trades.